Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, this is Group 1. Alright, we will soon begin our presentation on error pattern analysis of the mathematic problem solving of grade 10 learners. Let us take the opportunity to introduce our group members will who be on duty. Myself, Dida Melia Giza Anantia, and my friends Fania Putri, Doni Akbar, Haris Susilo Arianto, and lastly Sakinah.
Introduction. Mathematics is essential in developing logical reasoning, analytical thinking, and problem-solving skills. It is taught at all levels because of its practical use in technology, business, and industry. However, many students still find mathematics challenging. At Matuke National High School, grade 10 student GWA in 2022-2023 show mathematics as the lowest performing subject, indicating that key problem-solving skills are not yet mastered. Thus, this study examines student error patterns, attitude toward mathematics, and how their profiles affect their performance. Now that we understand the background of this research, let's proceed to the research question that create this study. Research question. The study was created by the following research question. Number 1. What are the student profiles? Sex, economic status, parents' education, and math grades? Number 2. What are their attitudes towards solving mathematics problems? Number 3. How do they perform across different areas of mathematics? Number 4. What common error do they make in solving problems? And last, number 5. Is there a relationship between their profiles, attitude, and performance in problem solving?
The next is methodology. This chapter presents the methods used in the study, including the research, the site participants, instrumentation, and data analysis procedures. Number 1. Research design. The study employed a convergent mixed methods design, combining both quantitative and qualitative data that were collected, analyzed, and compared to confirm or disconfirm each other. Number 2. Participants. The participants were grade 10 students from Metuchai National High School enrolled during the school year 2023 to 2024. The school is located along Maharlika Highway in Metuchai, Alajapan, Cagayan, with a total population of the school. The school is located along Maharlika Highway in Metuchai, Alajapan, Cagayan, with a total population 935 students. The study used simple random sampling to select respondents. Number 3. Instrumentation. Information to count the study was obtained from the school division superintendent. Number 4. Data analysis. Data were analyzed using multivariate analysis of variance. The next is result. 1. Summary sex. Male learners outnumbered females, showing the grade 10 at Metukai National High School is male dominant, consistent with Philippines census and school enrollment data. Number 2. Summary economic status. Most learners, families earn and below per month, indicating that they belong to minimum wage households. The mean income shows that most parents work as farmers in Alajapan. Most learners families earn and below per month, indicating that they belong to minimum wage households. The mean income shows that most parents work as farmers in Alajaban, where agriculture, especially rice farming, is the main source of livelihood. The next is summary parents' highest educational attainment. Most fathers finished secondary education, followed by who completed elementary school who earned a college degree. Similarly, most mothers finished high school. 25% completed a college degree, and 60% graduated from elementary school. The next is summary performance grade in mathematics. Most learners achieve a very satisfactory grade, followed by outstanding, unsatisfactory. The mid grade was indicating average mathematical performance. Despite generally good grades, the study notes that low maths achievement remains a national issue, as shown by PISA and Global Competitiveness Report rankings, where the Philippines scored low in mathematics and science education. The next is summary learners' attitude toward mathematics. Learners at Metukai National High School show a highly positive attitude toward mathematics. They viewed maths as important in daily life and gained great satisfaction from solving problems. Students were eager to learn new concepts, strengthen their skills, and showed high engagement when given more tasks. They believed mathematics helped develop logical thinking for and found it interesting and challenging. Learners felt math improved problem solving in other subjects was easier than other subjects and gave them confidence. Students preferred solving math problems over reading easy and did not find math boring or stressful.
Discussion. The study revealed that although 10th grade students at Metukai National High School perform very well in solving mathematical problems across various domains, they tended to make errors in the formulation stage. This indicates difficulty translating word problems into appropriate mathematical models, which requires good reading comprehension, conceptual knowledge, and reasoning skill. Student attitude towards mathematics were generally positive, driven by a belief in the importance of mathematics in everyday life and a sense of satisfaction in solving problems. This positive attitude was significantly related to their problem-solving performance, supporting the theory that self-efficacy and motivation play a significant role in academic achievement. The finding the student attitude are related to gender also opens up opportunities for further research into gender factor in mathematics learning. The fact that other student profiles, such as economic status and parental education, were not significantly related to their problem-solving performance suggests that factors beyond demographic may be more influential in the school environment.
Conclusion of mathematics problem solving error analysis. 1. Student performance and attitude. Problem solving performance grade 10 students at Matukai National High School demonstrate excellent performance in overall mathematics problem solving with a mean score of 6,476. This suggests the process a strong foundation in basic concept, reputation, and operation. Attitude toward mathematics. The The student attitude toward mathematics was found to be positive. The perceived mathematics as important subject in daily life. Mean 400 51 and will statistics when solving math problem mean 431 two dominant error pattern. The dominant error type despite the student excellent performance, the most frequency error identified fall under the category of formulation error. Most frequency specific error. The two most common type of error were incorrect substitution and misuse of formula equation. Frequency 97. Ignoring unit sign of symbol categories under computation error. Frequency 89. 3. Relationship between variable. The attitude and performance student. Attitude toward mathematics is influenced by sex but not influenced by their problem-solving performance. A significant relationship was found between sex and attitude. Female students tend to view mathematics as a beneficial subject, which leads to higher academic achievement compared to male student. Code 1.
Next, recommendation. First, mathematics teachers should apply differentiated instruction and provide problem-solving tasks with real-life context. Teacher should recognize that students have different abilities, learning paces, and interests. Differentiated instruction allow them to modify content, process, and output according to learners' needs. By using real-life mathematical contexts such as budgeting, measurements, or statistics in daily life, students can see the relevance of mathematics, which help improve motivation and comprehension. And then, second, school should implement remedial programs or specialization that focus on error analysis and correction. Remedial programs like Math Clinic or Math Day mentioned in the article can provide targeted intervention. These programs give students a safe space to review their mistakes, analyze why they occurred, and learn corrective strategies. Third, future research should include other factors such as teacher characteristics, instructional strategies, and psychological variables, e.g. motivation or math To gain a deeper understanding of learning challenge, future studies should go beyond student performance and include teacher-related variables and psychological aspects. These factors like teaching style, confidence, or anxiety can greatly influence both learning outcomes and error patterns. Fifth, peer tutoring and collaborative learning should be encouraged to minimize error and strengthen comprehension. Peer tutoring allows students to learn from each other's perspective. It also builds communication and problem-solving skills and help both tutor and learner clarify misunderstandings. Fifth, continuous professional development for mathematics teacher should be prioritized, focusing on effective teaching strategies and error pattern analysis. Teachers play a crucial role in identifying student difficulties. Regular training on new pedagogical methods, diagnostic tool, and classroom innovation is essential. This ensures that teachers remain adaptable and can respond effectively to learners' needs. In conclusion, this journal highlights the importance of understanding student error patterns in solving mathematics problems. By recognizing why learners struggle, teacher can design better listen and quiz students more effectively. The study also reminds us that success in mathematics depends not only knowledge but also on attitude, motivation, and perseverance. And thank you for your attention and good evening once again. We hope our presentation has provided meaningful insight from our journal analysis. Bye!